In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Norton Automatic Renewal 2025. This is a super useful skill if you find yourself wanting to manage your subscriptions more precisely, or if you're considering switching services. Follow along, and you'll complete this process in just a few minutes. First, let's head over to the official Norton website. Your starting point is to access the site so you can get into your account and manage your subscription settings. This is the initial step and crucial because you'll need to locate all relevant features to alter your renewal settings. Once you are on the Norton homepage, look for the My Account section. It's typically found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on My Account directs you to a more personalized space where you can see your current services and settings. This is just like entering your personal dashboard, where all relevant actions can be performed. The next thing you need to do is sign in to your Norton account. Look for the Sign In button that commonly appears in the Account section. Enter your credentials, the email and password associated with your Norton account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're signing into the one associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Signing in confirms your identity and enables you to make changes to your subscriptions. Now that you're logged in, navigate to Norton Home. This is the centralized hub for all your products and services linked to Norton. You're looking for a seamless way to access your subscription list, and Norton Home is where that list resides. With access to Norton Home, your next move takes you to the Norton My Account page. This is essentially the core area where all your subscriptions and their details are meticulously organized. Being here means you're just steps away from managing your subscription preferences. At this point, you'll want to go to My Subscriptions. Clicking on it will display all the active subscriptions you have with Norton. It's a straightforward pathway to seeing exactly what services are scheduled for renewal. With this list in front of you, click on Subscription Details next to the service you wish to modify. A detailed view will emerge, outlining all specifics related to that subscription, including renewal dates, service scope, and more. Finally, the crucial action is to click on Cancel Renewal for the subscription in question. This straightforward option effectively turns off the automatic renewal setting for that particular service. Be sure to confirm any prompts asking if you're sure about this action to ensure the cancellation is processed. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the Norton website to cancel your automatic renewal for 2025. Remember to periodically review all your subscriptions to maintain control over services and avoid any unwanted charges. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.